Are you tired of dealing with dry, frizzy hair that seems impossible to tame? The reason is simple: lack of moisture. Hi guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm going to talk about why does your curly hair need moisture. Before I get into the video, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Let's first understand why curly hair is more prone to dryness than straight hair. Simply put, the natural oils produced by the scalp have a harder time traveling down the hair shaft due to the curls and twists in the hair. As a result, curly hair is more prone to frizz, breakage and dryness. Plus, curly hair can also be more susceptible to damage from heat styling tools, chemical treatments and environmental factors such as humidity, wind and sun exposure. All of these factors can contribute to further dryness and damage to curly hair, which is why curly hair is in a dire need of moisture. That's because moisture helps in keeping the hair hydrated, which can improve its overall health and appearance. When hair is properly hydrated, it can be more elastic, which can help prevent breakage and damage. Also, a well-moisturized hair is less likely to frizz and can have more defined curls. Okay, so by now you've understood the basis of curly hair, but the question remains: how should one add moisture to curly hair? The answer is use products specifically designed for curly hair. Reason being, these products often contain ingredients such as shea butter, coconut oil, glycerine and other humectants that help to draw moisture into the hair and keep it inside your hair. By using these products, you can help to ensure that your curly hair stays hydrated, healthy and looking its best. So here are some curly hair products that I want to recommend, which I swear by. So to help the curls get the moisture it needs, we need to start using moisture boosting shampoo and conditioner specifically designed for curly hair. Like these, it's the Dove Beautiful Curls Sulfate Free Shampoo and Conditioner. This shampoo and conditioner duo is perfect for curly hair for a number of reasons. The first reason being that it specifically caters to Indian curly hair. The second reason is that it's infused with Tri-Moisture Essence combined with ingredients such as glycerine, which is a humectant that increases and maintains moisture in your hair, along with aloe extracts, which is both a humectant and emollient, so it helps with moisture absorption and retention. And lastly, it has shea butter that acts as a sealant, meaning that it will keep the moisture locked inside the strands. All in all, it helps recover the hair's natural oil and locks in moisture to maintain the shape of your curls. Wait, I'm not done yet. So both these duo are free from dyes, sulfates and parabens. All these baddies are the reason curly hair becomes more dry and frizzy. And since this duo is free from all the bad stuff, it is loaded with only good stuff your curls are going to thank you after every wash. Also guys, if you want to watch a curly hair care routine video, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. The second product which you need is a curl defining gel. A curl defining gel helps to define the natural curl pattern of your hair and create more defined curls. It holds the curls in place, which can help them to retain their shape and bounce. And as we know, frizz is a common problem for curly hair, especially when it's dry. So my go-to curl defining gel is the Dove Beautiful Curls Defining Gel. Simply apply it to damp hair, spread it across the length of your curls and scrunch it. This lightweight and non-greasy formula keeps your curls worry-free, frizz-free and ensures long-lasting curls all day. Infused with aloe extracts, coconut oil and glycerine, this alcohol-free gel promises intense hydration for up to 48 hours, ensuring your curls remain defined without any flakes or crunch. And lastly, I recommend you to get your hands on a hair mask at least once a week. Hair masks penetrate the hair shaft and help to restore moisture, smoothness and elasticity to the curls. A deep conditioning mask like the Dove Beautiful Curls Deep Moisture Miracle Hair Mask helps strengthen hair against early hints of damage, strengthens hair from within and smooths frizz. Plus, it is infused with moisturizing ingredients such as shea butter, coconut oil and glycerine that adds life back to your curls and helps maintain their shape. It's free of harsh chemicals, all the while giving you an at-home spa experience that locks in moisture and makes your tresses healthy looking. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you want to get your hands on any of these products, then scroll down to the description box below for purchasing links. Before I leave, like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you. Bye.